Assalamu alaikum. Student, miscellaneous exercise 5 mathematics class 10th science group. We are going to solve MCQs. First one. A collection of well-defined objects is called set. Option C is correct. Next. A set Q is equal to A by B where A, B belong to Z and B is not equal to 0 is called a set of student that is called a set of rational numbers. So this is the definition of rational numbers. Next, the different number of ways to describe a set are called 3. There are 3 ways to describe a set. Option C is correct. Fourth, a set with no element is called empty set. Option B is correct. Fifth, the set X where X belongs to W and X is less than equal to 101 is called finite set. Option D is correct. Student, let us move to the next page of this book to solve the remaining MCQs. So the sixth one. The set having only one element is called singleton set. Option C is correct. Next, the power set of an empty set is student option D. Seventh, the number of element in a power set 1, 2, 3 is student. There is a formula by using which we can find the number of element in a power set of the given set. Given set has 3 element, so its power set has number of element equal to 2 raised to power 3, which comes out to be 8. So option C is correct. Ninth, if A is a subset of B, then A union B is equal to. Student, consider the diagram. A is enclosed within B. So we can say that by taking the union of A union B, we get B. So option B is correct. Next, if A is a subset of B, then A intersection B. Consider again the same diagram. In this case, intersection means elements contained by the both sets. So which is A? Which is the set A? So MCQs of answer of MCQ number 10th is option A. 11th, if A is a subset of B, then A minus B. Again considering the same diagram, subtracting the element of B from A, where A is a subset of B, we get nothing. So empty set would be our answer. So the option C is correct. 12th, A union B union C is equal to. Student, this is the property and its answer comes out to be the C part. A union B union C. Next, A union B intersection C is equal to. It becomes A union B intersection A union C. This is again the property. So option A is correct. Next, if A and B are disjoint sets, then A union B is equal to B union A. Option D is correct. If the number of element in a set A is 3 and in a set B is 4, then the number of element in A cross B is equal to 3 multiplied by 4, which comes out to be 12. So option C is correct. Next, if the number of element in a set A is 3 and in a set B is 2, then the number of binary relation in A cross B. Student, number of binary relation is equal to the number of element contained by A cross B. So the set A has number of elements 2 into 3 6, and binary relations in the set A cross B is equal to the 2 raised to power 6. Option B is correct. Next, the domain of R consists of all the elements is a set which consists of all the elements which occurs in a first position of the given ordered pair. So 0, 2, 3. 0, 2, 3. Option B is correct. Next, the range R of the given set is range R consists of all the elements of a given R that occurs in a second position of the ordered pairs. So 3, 2, 1, 4. By rearranging we get 1, 2, 3, 4. So option C is correct. Student, MCQ number 19th. Next page. Point -1, 4 lies in the second quadrant. This is the simple one. Next, the given relation is onto function, into function, not a function, 1 function. Student, for your simplicity, I have made the diagram of the given relation. First set 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and the second is 2, 3, 4. So you can see that the element 3 has been allotted 2 images of the second set, 3 and 4. It is clear from here 3, 3 and 3, 4, which contradicts the definition of function. So it is not a function. Option C is correct. Student, there are fill in the blanks given on this page which are also important and which comes by some way in a paper. So let us try to solve those. Question 3, first part. If A is a subset of B, then A union B, we have already solved a MCQ like that. So A union B comes out to be B. Similarly, if A intersection B is phi, there is nothing common between A and B, then A and B are disjoint sets. We can say that A and B are disjoint sets. Next, third one. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A is equal to B. This is the criteria for the equality of two sets. Next, A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Distributive property of intersection over union. Next, A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Distributive property of union over intersection. 6. The complement of U. Student, we get the complement of U by subtracting U from U. So we get nothing. So answer is empty set represented by phi. The complement of phi comes out to be the subtracting phi from U. So we get the U universal set. Next, A intersection A complement. Student, we know that there is no element common between A and A complement according to their definitions. So answer is empty set phi. While A union A complement consists of all the element of the universal set. So option is U. 10th, the set X where X belongs to A and X does not belong to B is equal to A minus B represented by A slash B. The point -5, -7 lies in third quadrant. The point next 4, -6 lies in fourth quadrant. The y-coordinate of every point is 0 on the x-axis. The x-coordinate of every point is 0 on the y-axis. The domain of A, B, B, C, C, D. Domain consists of the first element of the given function or relation. So our answer comes out to the ABC, set ABC. Next, the range of given relation or function comes out to the all the elements which occur in a second position of the given ordered pair. So ABC, set containing ABC is the range of the given function. Next, Venn diagram was first used by John Venn is the name of the scientist who used Venn diagram for the very first time. Next, a subset of A cross A is called binary relation in A. If f A to B, if f is a function from A to B and range of f is B, then f is onto function because all the elements of the set B are assigned to the some element of the element A. Nothing is left in the set B which is not assigned to any of the elements of the set A. So this is the definition of the onto function. Last, the relation AB, BC, AD, we can see that A is assigned an image B. Again, element A is assigned an image D. So element A is assigned two images which contradict the definition of the function. So it is not a function. Thank you very much and have a good luck, students.